Hello everyone, this is the weekly market forecast for the week of July 6, 2020. Hope everyone have a good weekend to celebrate July 4 at home. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price action for my member to make some extra daily income and give out a long-term price direction for swing trade to make a bigger profit potential. Last week, after a sideways correction, in kind of like a flag formation, like I told you last week, if it's not really a flag, but it's choppy in the downside in the parallel channel here. If we can get out of the flag here, we will be celebrate for the July 4. So in this, they did that on Friday, and market be able to get out of the parallel channel here, and then they be able to put it back up in the upside. But at the end of the day, they put it back a little bit, but they are still right at the support. So over the trend, you can see that in the shorter time frame, after they get up, they hit to the sell zone, and then they pull back down a little bit to hold up at the support right there. So if you so you can see that how the market is acting right now. It's still very bullish. So the reason is that we can see that the number of case of coronavirus is still shoot up to the sky, but we have some positive news on the vaccine by Pfizer, and plus on top we have a June non-farm payroll that shot to 4.8 million. That helped the market to stabilize and then put it back up higher. So right now, with a multi-trillion dollar pump up by Fed to help the economic recovery, so we can see that the market it continue to put into the upside. But the market will do whatever they want to do. As a trader, we only focus on the check. So the price on the check will tell you everything. This is the right time for you to wake up and learn. All we need to do is learn how to understand and read the price chart because they will tell you everything. But how to read the price chart correctly, we need to know how to use a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can predict where the market will go next. This is the only survival technical skill that you should learn so that you can manage your own financial future, like your 401k or IRA account, so that you can have something left to support your family when you are no longer working. As stock navigators, we help you to understand how to use modern technical analysis in trading, but we understand it's hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will mentor and help you until you are successful. And we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can see how the price action in the real time so that you can survive in this volatile market. So let's take a look of the other index to see where we're heading to. So I'm looking at the EMD SB 500 future contract right now. You can see on Sunday after the market open, they will gain more momentum after they pull back to the support, and then they push it back up in the upside right now, as you can see here on the bigger time frame as well as smaller time frame. And if we look at the Dow, you also see that the momentum is to pick up in the upside, and the Nasdaq it also against the momentum they break out new high and they continue to go higher, and the Russell 2000 also gains some momentum in the upside. Uh, the goal it have some trouble after they hit to the top. They tapped the sell zone a couple of times. They fell to go higher. So now they continue in the sideways correction right now. Oil in the meantime they still hold up pretty well. They don't go lower. So now they continue to push it back up and try to test to the next level of resistance up there. And the euro it also stabilized after they in the round, and then now be able to find a way to push it back up. If they break out at the Dow trend line, if they get out of flag here, definitely they have more room to the upside. And if you look at the bond, very important, people buy bonds to shelter for market going down. But right now, the bond at last week they hit here, they couldn't break it like we told you in the last week market. And you can see that after they hit this line, and then now they losing momentum and they put into the downside right now. So And then you also Bitcoin always sideways, but they have a strong buy zone support here. So if they break this downtrend line here, they will go back up and hit to 93, 94, 100 right there. So if first of all, let's look at this week because due to a second wave of coronavirus, so we will focus on the stock that support stay at home and work at home product. So those software, platform, and internet service that support the stay home or work at home still doing very well, and online education also perform very well. So first of all, let's take a look at the uh, couple of stocks that we mentioned last week to see where we at right now. So first of all, a lot of people ask me on the bull in. So bull in technically it's the last week. Now after they shoot up, they still go sideways. So they will tuck in here for rainbow. If they be able to break out, you see more bull in will the bull in will take up again. And look at the Tesla as you can see last week on our weekly market forecast, after we show you over here, and now look at the Tesla. They are jump up from 730 bucks now to over 1200, 1300 already. And another one is the AMGN, the biostock is still doing very well. And you can see here since last week, now Amgen is take up. You know, they go from 238, now it's almost 260 bucks in less than a week. And also stay home product, you can see the stay home product and online education is still doing well. Since last week right here, the market is continue to move to the upside. So a lot of bio stock is still doing very well. As you can see right now, a lot of stuff is still strong performance due to the coronavirus vaccine. And let me see, EFE. So this one, they have some good news. Let's see, they be able to hold up stable line here. So they gave up last week, and tomorrow, let's see the next candle. He will show you where the market is heading to, and couple of stock like okay, SQM. That's another chemical stock. They try to find a way. They stabilize here, try to find a way to get out to the upside, and okay, so this is another one. It also find a way to break out as soon as they move in average. So let's see where they're heading to. And a lot of stock that support the real estate and refinance and those things they still doing very well. They are trying to stuck into this trend here, but they try to be momentum in the upside. And and that's another strong one, but this one is a little bit extended right now. So this is what I have for you this week, and during the week I will update and let you know where the market is heading to. So thank you very much, and I hope that you enjoy the video that I'm doing here for you. Without you, my YouTube channel will not effective and nobody can see it. So that's why if you like what I'm doing here, give me a thumb up and always sign up. If you're a new member, sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will inform you so that you can see where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn more and understand how to read the chart correctly, and you have somebody to help you and guide you, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And again, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video.